we can have the belief that I'm never going to get better, that something's broken and will never be whole again. What's important for me is for people to really feel and discover there's something in us that is incapable of being broken and is not in need of fixing or changing or healing. That's what we want to discover first. It's not something we're working towards to understand. It's something we want a person to discover and experience right at the beginning of their healing work. So then they're addressing what's broken or needs to be healed in the body and the mind from a place of unbrokenness, of wholeness. This is, to me, what's so vital in our need, in our healing regimens around the world, to help people understand there's something about us that's incapable of being broken, and we can find that and attune to it very quickly. It's simple. It just needs time to keep nourishing until we really can recognize it. Then we can really have the stability to face what's broken and does need fixing. So I think that's the most important piece I always want to both share and teach and have people experience as quickly as they can in their healing regimen.
Mm-hmm. When you work with such a big variety of people, from veterans to people with cancer and homelessness, and I mean, this is something that everybody can do. I guess that's what I'm getting at. So no matter where you are, you can tune in. You don't have to even understand it. You just have to practice it.
We're working with children as young as 3, and we're working all the way through end of life and hospice. We're working with vets and active duty, homeless, people who've been trafficked, people who've gone through horrendous trauma in all sorts of ways, whether it's war, acts of violence, car accidents, plane accidents. I haven't found a person yet who within about 20 minutes can't experience this sense of wholeness, that never got injured and doesn't need healing. Then it's a question of continuing to reinforce it and then begin the healing journey, but keep weaving this sense of wholeness and well-being in amidst whatever else we're experiencing. So yeah, I have yet to find a person who can experience it. It's simple, it just needs time.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you so much, Richard, for spending the time with us today.
Thank you, Lynn. Always a pleasure. I look forward anytime.
Well,
anywhere.
thank you.
Hello, this is Lynn Fraser with the Killaby Center Radical Recovery Summit. We are so excited to bring you the lineup for January 10th to 19th, 2020. Go to radicalrecoverysummit.com to see the new headliners for 2020 and to sign up. You can watch free January 10th to 19th or buy an all-access pass.